We're getting ready to install this floor. Want to watch?
Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411
with Robbie and Adrian. Hopefully you saw the video where we got all this floor insulation into place and where we cut the plywood pieces to be the floor. Today, it's time to actually install the plywood piece. The plan is to use the 3M78 spray adhesive and spray the back side of the plywood and the top side of these, because it does say to do both sides for maximum adherence. The goal for the first part one of this video is to just get this first one down and make sure everything works as I actually want it to.
Five minutes, counting down.
One can did all the foam board that we put down in the grooves and the top third of this floor and plywood that we're going to put in. Guess it's on to can number 2. Before I did all this, I made sure to spray all that down, get all the sawdust off the back of the plywood, and try to get everything good and clean underneath first. That is what you didn't see.
Robbie decided we needed some extra. Mainly, I think he's just spraying this outside edge. Here we go.
It worked.
Well, we got one piece down.
I say we just put some stuff on top of it. That'll work. There it is. Now we wait, huh?
Yep. All righty.
This piece has been down for a couple weeks now. We had a bunch of heavy stuff on it, and now the test is to try. Oh yeah, she's down good. Now we can put the second and third piece in. Our 5 minutes is up, and now it's ready for the great stuff. Oh, there it goes. Well, it's doing what we want it to do, ain't it? All right, we gotta get to moving because this is expanding. All right, and then push it this way if we can. That's it right there. That's what it's gonna be either way. What we'll do is let that go for now, and then it'd be nice to try to get this other piece in. Slide it towards me a little bit if you can. Right there, right there. Sorry.
So happy about
That squeak that's in there, but have to go with it. We got all 4 pieces installed, pulled basically everything that was fairly heavy but movable out of the garage, and we'll check it tomorrow afternoon. There you have it. Our plywood floor is installed. Once this great stuff is cured, we'll come in and chop it all off and make sure it's ready for the linoleum. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. If you really like it, make sure you subscribe, share it with all your friends, and come back to see what else we got going on. If you have any tips, please leave those below in the comments. We always love reading what we could do or should have done. Thanks for watching.